Some precautions before unpacking. First, upon receipt of the machine, you need to first check whether the outer packaging of the machine is seriously damaged, or there are signs of opening the box. Second, if there's serious damage or there are traces of opening the box, please take photos of the location of the damage and all the shipping labels on the outer package. You can also take a video. Take us the photos and the videos and attach your order number and send it to our after-sales email address, support@monportlaser.com. Third, it will be better if you can shoot an unboxing video. Let's start unpacking. Let's check whether the attached accessories are consistent with the packing list. Next, let's start assembling the machine. Here you can see the installation of the column screws. After that, please connect the power cord and the USB cable. Next, turn on the machine. In order for you need to remove the protective cover of the lens. Turn on the laser source button, press the red dot switch. Positioning the material below the autofocus sensor. Click the autofocus button. Measure distance from the surface of the material to the red marking line to determine if it is equal to the value entered on the marking line. Slight autofocus errors may occur due to light intensity or reflections from processed materials. Let's move on. Next is the installation of BSL software drivers. You can open the software on a USB flash drive or copy the folder to your computer. Directly open the software doesn't need to modify the parameters. The factory parameters are saved. To make sure it's correct, you can click on the F3 option and go to the software parameters window to check it out. Verify that the parameters on the nameplate are the same as in the software. If there's difference, you need to take the parameters from the nameplate and feed them into the software. Okay, now everything is set up well. We can do a test. Add it to the graph and set the parameters. Check the red line frame and start marking. If you use Lightburn, here shows you the steps of Lightburn software to connect the machine. After the interface shows up, click Find My Laser and click Next. Add a device. Import EasyCAD config. Import the parameter LMCPUR CFG from the USB flash drive. Click Next. You can name it as you like and click Finish. Then import BSL card CFG. After this is done, adjusting the port settings is very necessary. You can do the steps according to the video and change every parameters one by one. Notice the adjustment of pulse and frequency parameters. Check that the parameters are the same as those on the nameplate. After it's done, also let's do a test. Edit the graph and set the parameters. Check the red light frame and start marking.